everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you. I got this recently from 310 Nutrition. I purchased it myself. It is their Memorial Day mystery box. I didn't know they did mystery boxes, and when I got the email about this, I'm like, yeah, I want to try it. I think I paid $59 for it, and it's a $140 value. All I have done is cut the tape off the top. So let's get down into it. Woo! All right, let's see here. I got my invoice. Oh, ships out of Knoxville, Tennessee. No wonder my things get here really quick. Because Knoxville's maybe 2 hours down the road. Not far. Okay, let's see. I got a couple of samples. Well, no, I got one free thing for purchasing a certain dollar amount, which I guess $59 was within that. And then I got a sample. You can always pick a sample, and if you purchase a certain dollar amount, you get a freebie. And then if you hit another dollar amount, they usually have 2 different freebies. So, yeah, and then my mystery box was $59. Everything else came with the box. So let me show you. Let me dig out my freebies here. Okay, so my sample was another packet of hibiscus tea. I think there are 3 in here. 3 sachets. I think so. So anyway, I got hibiscus tea, and then for hitting a certain dollar amount, I got the 310 Beauty Melt, which I already have one of these, and then this is my second one. I'll just hold that back until I'm finished with the first one. These is tablets. They're quick melt. You put it in your mouth and it'll just melt. So yeah, it says use 1 tablet daily. Allow to dissolve in mouth before swallowing. Okay. It supports healthy hair, skin, and nails. Yeah, and it's gluten free. So there. Now everything else is in my the $59 mystery box. Oh, I got a new cup, and it has pineapples on it. I love pineapples. Oh, this is nice. So it's a new cup, and I'm sure, yep, it has this thing. This pops out. You can put your things in, and then that helps you mix up your drinks, your lemonades, or your shakes. I like the pineapple. I do. I like those colors too. So there we go. Let's see what's next. I can see this 310 blender scraper. Oh, I haven't even seen this on their website, or the pineapple shaker, I might add. No smoothie left behind. This is nice. Let's open it up. Let's see if I can. Yeah, I can open it up. Well, I have to have scissors to cut it out, so I won't be able to do that. It's nice. Silicone. I don't have a scraper this size. I have a larger one, and then I have a little one. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. And like I said, I haven't seen that on their website. It may be there, but I haven't seen it. They sent me a face mask. Silver ion antibacterial. 1 piece. So I think it says, let's open it up. Yeah, it says 310 Nutrition on it. That's not bad. That's really nice. Okay. We might have to start wearing masks again. There we go. Next. Oh. Here's a little MCT oil. If you're on keto, this is a really good oil to take. Take 1 tablespoon daily. It can also be used in salad dressing, salsas, and for cooking. I might make salad dressing with it. For adults only. It's for weight management. It supports mental clarity, gluten-free and non-GMO, all vegan ingredients. Okay, there we go. I'm leaving the two big things for last because I don't know what flavors they are. Next, 310 apple cider vinegar tablets. Take one capsule 1 to 2 times daily with food. Drink plenty of water with this product in conjunction with a reduced calorie diet. Okay. There's 60 capsules in here. Okay. All right. We'll do that. Now, I got a full-size box of lemonades. I think it's lemonades. Yes. It's the full-size box, and it is the variety pack. Man, oh man, oh man. Look at the lemonades. I know these sell for $40. Oh yeah, cherry lime. Actually, I think they're all cherry lime. It says variety pack, but I don't think it's a variety. It actually says cherry lime lemonade on my inventory thing. So, it's cherry lime, but it's in a variety pack box. But that's okay. I like the cherry lime. So, I am very happy with that. That's probably why they're in this box. And then last, let's see what flavor of shakes I got. You see first. Pumpkin spice. Oh, no, we're not done. Pumpkin spice meal replacement shake. This is the small bag, I think. This is the small bag. So the small bag sells for $40, and so there's 14 servings in here. This is not on their. I don't think this is a choice you can buy right now. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe. But I will probably set this aside and drink this come fall. I don't know. You can have pumpkin spice anytime. I'm excited about that. And then there was one other thing in here. I got a second beauty melt. So I got 2 beauty melts. I don't remember how much these sell for. It says it's a $140 value. I would say it is. So this is $80 right here. So for $59, I'm pleased. Like I said, for $59, this is $80 right here. I know of. And then I'm not sure how much these sell for. I think they sell the little one. Not 100% sure. I know they sell a bigger one. And then I don't know how much the scraper sells for or this, but I'm very pleased. I am very pleased with my box. So guys, I just wanted to share this with you in case this is probably gone when you're seeing this, because this is going up Weight Loss Wednesday. But if you want to, go on there and purchase, I do have a link down below. Please use my link. If you use my actual link, I will get credit for it. I do have a discount code for 15% off. I did find out it is a one-time use code, so once you use that, you can't use that again, but that's okay, because you can earn cash towards, like coupons. They have $5, $10 coupons. They have all kinds of freebies. So there's plenty of ways to save and do the 310 nutrition shakes, and they do really work. And I am loving them. So guys, like I said, check out my link below, and then there's the code. And thank y'all for watching. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And guys, I will see you next time.